Welcome back, guys, to my channel Mathematics MS Simplex. Today we'll be doing simultaneous equations. We'll be using the elimination method. The first example that we're going to do is look at the coefficient of y, where the values are the same, which is 3. And once the coefficient of the variable is the same, we add or subtract depending on the sign in front. In this case, we'll add because we have a positive 3y and a negative 3y. So to cancel these two variables, we add. Let's get into it. Here we have the equation 2x plus 3y equal 15, and the second equation 4x minus 3y equal 3. Now because the 3 minus 3y and plus 3y are opposite signs and they're similar with the coefficient of 3, I can add the two equations to eliminate y. So we add 2x plus 4x, that gives us 6x. Then we add 3y plus minus 3y, and then that will give us 0. So just because the signs are different and the coefficients are the same, that's how we add. Now we add the 15 plus the 3, and that gives us 18. Now, after doing this, we have the 6x equal 18. Then to get x being by itself, we divide both sides by 6. So 18 is also being divided by 6. Now, simplifying this, what we have is that the 6 cancels and 18 divided by 6 is 3. Now this 3, we're going to substitute it into equation 1, the 2x plus 3y equal 15, and replace x with 3, so we have 2, 3, 6. We carry over the 6 over the equal sign, so we have negative 6. So 15 minus 6, that's 9. To get rid of the 3 in front of the y, we divide both sides by 3. So the 9, we divide it by 3. So the 3 cancels on the left hand side. So what we have is y is equal to 3, because 3 into 9 goes 3 times. Now the reality is that we could have substituted x equal 3 in the second equation, and we will still arrive at the same answer, which is y equal 3. Let's look at another example. So the next example, we could have go ahead and add, but for this example, we have 3x plus 2y equal 1 and 6x minus 2y equal 26. Some students don't like to add the y, so they look at the x and get the coefficients to be the same for x. So in doing so, if you realize I have the 6 multiplying the first equation, that's coming from the 6 that's in front of the x in the second equation. So multiply the 6 times 3x, that gives us 18x. Then we're going to multiply the 6 by the 2y in this first equation, that gives us 12y. And then we multiply the 6 by the number 1 that's over the equal sign in the first equation, and that gives us 6. Now, the 3 that we have there, now we're going to multiply it by the second equation, because we're trying to get x to be the same. So 3 times the 6, that gives us 18. Rewrite the x, and negative 2y times the 3, So that will give us the negative 6y that you're seeing there. Finally, we multiply 3 times 26, and that will give us 78. Now we have the variable x being the same. In order to eliminate this variable, we will subtract. Subtracting, what happens is that the variable x, which is 18x and minus 18x, those will cancel, so we'll have 0. Now we'll have 12y minus minus is a plus, so 12y plus 6y to give us 18y, and 6 minus 78 to give us negative 72. Solving for y, we divide both sides by 18. So dividing both sides by 18, remember, we have to balance. Anything we do to one side, we do to the other side. The 18s cancel, so y is equal to negative 4. Now, having the negative 4, we can substitute either in equation 1 or 2. I'm choosing 2 since the previous example I choose equation 1. So replace y to be negative 4. We have negative 2 times negative 4, that's positive 8. And carry over the 8, so we have negative 8. And then 26 minus 8, that's 18. Then we divide both sides by 6. So dividing both sides by 6, as you can see, they cancel. So the 6 cancels. So x is equal to 3. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm hoping you guys enjoy